Hello everyone. Did you know that 67% of businesses that track their metrics regularly are more likely to achieve long term success? Numbers do not just tell a story, they guide decisions. In this lecture, we will talk about the key metrics that businesses use to measure growth and how these numbers help companies succeed. In this lecture, you will understand the importance of metrics in measuring business success, identify key metrics for tracking growth, learn how to interpret these metrics to make informed decisions. Metrics are like a scoreboard in a game. They show how well a business is performing and help leaders decide the next steps. Without metrics, it's like trying to win a game without knowing the score. It's nearly impossible to measure progress or success. For example, Facebook closely tracks user engagement metrics such as daily active users to understand how people interact with its platform. These insights help the company improve its features and grow its user base. Metrics provide a clear picture of what's working and what isn't. This allows businesses to focus on strategies that deliver results. Revenue growth shows how much money a business is making over time. It's one of the most straightforward ways to measure success. For instance, Amazon's revenue growth demonstrates its success in expanding its services from online shopping to cloud computing. A steady increase in revenue signals that customers value what the business offers. Customer acquisition cost measures how much a business spends to acquire new customers. This matrix helps businesses understand if their marketing and sales strategies are cost effective. For example, a startup might spend heavily on ads but realize that CAC is too high. This could prompt them to adjust their strategy to lower cost while maintaining customer growth. Retention rate shows how many customers keep returning after their first purchase. Businesses with high retention rates often have loyal customers and strong relationships. Take Netflix as an example. Its ability to retain subscribers comes from continuously offering new content and a seamless user experience. Retaining customers is often cheaper and more affordable than acquiring new ones. Net profit margin measures how much of a business revenue remains as profit after all expenses are paid. It shows how effectively the business operates. Apple's high profit margins reflect its ability to sell premium products at prices customers are willing to pay. This efficiency has helped it remain one of the most valuable companies in the world. Imagine you're on a road trip. The map shows where you are, how far you have come, and where you need to go next. Metrics work in the same way for businesses. They guide decisions, highlight progress, and point out areas that need improvement. Without a map, it is easy to lose direction. Knowing your metrics isn't enough. You need to understand what they mean. Leaders analyze metrics to identify trends, evaluate strategies, and make changes when necessary. For example, a business that notices a drop in its customer retention rate might investigate why customers are leaving. The solution could involve improving customer service or offering loyalty programs to keep them engaged. Matrix also allow businesses to set realistic goals. For instance, a company might aim to increase its revenue growth by 10% in the next year based on past performance and current trends. Choose a business or organization you admire. Research at least two metrics they track and write a one-page report explaining why these metrics are important for their growth. In summary, metrics are essential tools for measuring business growth and success. Key metrics like revenue growth, customer retention, and net profit margin provide valuable insights that guide decisions and strategies. What metrics do you think are the most important for a business to track? Have you ever seen a matrix used to make decisions in school or club? Share your thoughts in the comment section. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.